Wow, look at this. Today I'm making a creamy pasta with fish. So I'm going to try out and remove all the water from my fish. Then I am going to season it with paprika, a bit of black pepper, and a bit of salt. So I'm making sure my paprika is inside my fish very well. Then I'm going in with my black pepper, blended black pepper. Then I'm going to season it with my salt. Then while I'm seasoning this, my oil was already ready, and then I am ready to fry. So I made a mistake. My oil was not too hot. I put it on low, so I had to wait a bit. So now my oil is ready, so I'm going to turn my fish. Now it looks ready. I'm going to transfer. So I'm going to use the same cooking pan for my pasta. Then I'm going to put in my onion and let them fry. Just gonna turn that and let that cook for a minute. My onion looks ready, so I'm going to go in with my cooking cream. I'm going to pour it in and let that cook. So then I am going to add in my seasonings now. I'm going to add in my black pepper, my salt, and my paprika and mix that everything very well together and let it cook for a minute. To let that cook for a minute, then I'm going to add in also my salt and let it come to a boil. So this pasta is very easy and fast to make, especially on a lazy day like today. So I've decided to make a creamy pasta for my little ones before they come from school. So if you're lazy, just go for this. It's extremely fast, easy, and it's very delicious. So as you can see, my sauce has already cooked and it looks already yummy. So I have already cooked my pasta. I'm just going to transfer it inside. So I cook my pasta on al dente. So not very well done. If you don't know what is al dente, not you cook your pasta not very well done. It should still have that hard texture, because when you cook it in the cream and then those few minutes remaining for your pasta to be ready, then it will finish in the sauce. So now I'm just going to mix that up very well. Look how yummy and delicious that is. And the final touch of the pasta that I promise you all is the cheese, the mozzarella cheese. Oh, this just gives the pasta goes to another level. It tastes so yummy, and just the cheese in the pasta, it's everything, y'all. Now that the cheese has melted in my pasta and my sauce, it's well, so I'm just going to transfer this into a bowl and have this with my fried fish. This looks yummy, delicious, and it's ready. This just took me 8 minutes to make, and I'm going to serve this, and my kids are going to enjoy this meal. Look how lovely this dish looks like. It's yummy. Oh guys, you should just try this recipe. It is the best. Now I'm just going to transfer this into my dish and I am going to enjoy it. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, leave a comment. If you're subscribed already, thank you very much. Remember to share love and care wherever you find yourself, and remember to always give love out. So this is my pasta. It looks yummy, ready, and then I'm going to serve it with my side of fried fish. So this is the final dish. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe. See you in the next video. Remember to take care. So let me just dig in into the pasta. Yummy. Let me also take a slice of fish. Ciao, ciao, everybody.